In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore NinjaTrader charts from Workspace. If you've ever closed NinjaTrader or switched tasks and wondered how to bring your exact chart setup back in one move, this is for you. We'll keep it simple, clear, and fast. First, make sure you're looking at the main NinjaTrader window, often called the Control Center. This is the hub that manages everything in your platform. If you only see a chart or a floating window, click back to the main NinjaTrader window so you can access the workspace controls. That's where the magic happens. Workspaces are essentially saved layouts of your trading environment. They remember which charts you had open, what instruments they were on, which indicators you were using, and how your windows were arranged. Restoring a workspace brings all of that back exactly as it was, so you don't have to rebuild your setup manually. Now, click on Workspace in the main NinjaTrader window. Depending on your version and layout, you might see this as a Workspaces menu or button. Open it to view the list of saved workspaces on your platform. Take a moment to read through the names and select the one you want to use, the one that holds the charts and layout you want to restore. When you click the workspace you want, NinjaTrader will begin loading everything associated with it. After you select the workspace, give it a moment to restore. If your workspace includes multiple charts, indicators, or market analyzer windows, the platform may take a few seconds to bring them all back. You'll see your charts repopulate with the instruments and timeframes you last used. If windows open behind others or on a different monitor, simply bring them forward or rearrange them as needed. That's normal, especially if you use multiple displays. If you don't immediately see what you expect, don't panic. Large workspaces or heavy historical data requests can take a bit longer to load. Let the platform finish before clicking around again. If something still looks off, double-check that you selected the correct workspace from the list. And that's really all there is to it. Open the main NinjaTrader window, click on Workspace, select the workspace you want, and NinjaTrader restores all the charts included in that workspace automatically. It's a straightforward way to get right back to your trading environment with minimal effort. Thanks for watching. If this helped, you're ready to restore your charts quickly and get back to analyzing the markets.